Hey everyone, it's Hindash and we are back with a video and I'm with the stunning Maria. You may have seen this video on Instagram. This is me using the Dua by AB skincare. And I really wanted to not just use the products, but to really create a look around the vibe of the brand and obviously Dua Lipa because she is the founder and she's partnered with Augustinus Bader for this skincare line, which I think is so great. You know how much I love the brand, and I feel like enough time has passed and I've used the products myself because I was really excited to kind of see what the textures are like and how it's different from Augustinus Bader, the line. But of course, I'm also going to be focusing on the makeup look that I created for this video. So we are starting with the Balancing Cream Cleanser with TFC 5, and this is a gentle foaming cleanser. It doesn't really like foam up dramatically, but it does leave your skin very soft and very clean. I do personally like this for a morning cleanse. It feels very nourishing, but also pretty great for oily skin. I would say it's quite an all-around cleanser. All different skin types can use this. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Supercharged Glow Complex with TFC 5. Now, TFC 5 is different from TFC 8, which is an Augustinus Bader, and it's their technology and their own blend of peptides and different proteins for the complex that they use. Now, this also has marine bioretinol and vitamin B7. So it really supports the skin barrier and then smooths and hydrates and kind of delivers this beautiful radiance, which by the way is not in a form of a glowy finish. It's just what it does to your skin with the ingredients. So that was a nice surprise. I thought this was going to be kind of a glossy, dewy product, but it's not. It just sinks into the skin. The term glow comes from, what it's going to do to your skin. And I really like that the Dua products are very concise. So it's just 3 products to begin with. So I enjoy a simple routine. Next, we're going to go in with the Renewal Cream. And this is the moisturizer. I would say this one feels very velvety and cushiony. It kind of creates a blur on the skin, which is quite unexpected. It has all of these beautiful skin barrier ingredients and peptides, but I think what surprised me the most is that it did leave the skin very velvety, and as an oily combination person, I really enjoy it. For some reason, I just thought the line was going to be more glowy, so I am pleasantly surprised. So let's get into base. I'm using the YSL All Hours Glow Foundation and mixing a bit of that glow complex in with it, just a pump, because I want to sheer out the foundation even more and just keep this very focused on skin. I'm going to be applying this with my brush really buffed into the skin. Again, treat your foundation like a tinted moisturizer. It'll really go a long way, and the finish of that foundation would really shine when you use less. I also want more of a bronze base and look to Maria, so I am going to be going in with the Dior Contour Stick. This is in shade 2, which I believe is tan. This is a much warmer bronzer type of contour. I wouldn't say this is a contour, but this is the bronzer of the line. And the other colors are the contour colors. So basically, I'm applying this very buffed into the skin, all over the areas that you would naturally tan. So on the high points of the face, along the neck, on the eyelids, and just, a very diffused light layer all over. Really, really blend it in. And always do this before concealer, because then you can kind of target and see what you want to conceal after bronzing, because you might need even less. For concealer, I'm going in with the mix and a bit of a blend. I believe these are Hourglass concealers, and just applying that mix underneath the eyes, around the nose, basically targeting any areas I want to brighten and lift, and just, a bit of discoloration that I see, a bit of redness. I want to target that as well. Buffing it in and tapping the concealer in with my dense brush. This is a Sonia G brush, which I love. I think this is their jumbo concealer. I love Sonia G brushes. She's amazing. She's such an incredible, sweet person. So I really, really recommend her brushes. You can get them on Beautylish, I believe. And when I get to areas I want to diffuse even more, I will just swipe and blend a bit more feathery and tap the brush in on areas you want to keep that coverage and concealer. For brows, I really want to define her brows, but keep them quite fluffy, so nothing too dense. But I do love a structured brow on Maria. So I'm going in with my all-time favorite Hourglass pencil. This is in the shade Ash, and this is the Arch brow pencil, which is the slanted one. Love this color. I use it on everyone. It is such a great ashy tone that mimics kind of a background color for your brows, so you can really create this beautiful, fluffy, natural brow. And I always like to target the ends first and then just go through the brow and see where else needs a bit of structure. But I definitely like to focus on the ends to create that beautiful shape For even more dimension, I'm taking the new Anastasia brow pens. These are really great. I think this is the color taupe. I always like to go lighter than I need with a brow pen type of product because they can be more intense. So that's a good tip. Then I'm taking my Hindash color fluids, and this is the shade Carve, which is coming back very, very soon, I promise. I'm so excited. They're coming back very soon. I'm applying this all over the eyes and blending in. So this is my one and done shade. This is all I'm going to be doing for eyes in terms of a matte color. So just apply a very thin layer. These go on super smooth and even. They just make the skin look amazing. They don't emphasize texture. I am in love with my color fluid formula. Then I'm taking whatever is left underneath the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to be taking my Hindash Cosmetics Gradient Highlighter, and this is in the shade Doll Dynasty, which is a stunning peachy champagne. And I'm applying that on the lids, basically all over the lids, and this will create that very soft, beautiful kind of, very soft dimension, very romantic, effortless. It just wears beautifully throughout the day, nothing too crazy. Apply mascara and individual lashes. And then for blush, I'm taking this YSL Make Me Blush Liquid, and I think this is in the shade Fig, something Fig, which is stunning. I love this burnt mauve type of shade. I'm adding a touch of that glow complex again, just to sheer it out, and applying it on the bridge of the nose and across the cheeks. I really want to go very effortless with this blush. Nothing too crazy, but still meshing in with the skin. Applied on all the high points to really give you that post-vacation glow. And to sort of set that, but give it that extra luminosity and skin feel, I am using this Ilia blush, which is kind of a highlightery blush, a very glowy blush, which I really enjoy. And this color is great. It's, again, this very toasty mauve color, a bit lighter than the blush that I used, but it will diffuse and blend in so beautifully and give you the soft focus glow. For bronzer, I'm taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. I love that it's an olive tone. It's very rare for me to find bronzers with different undertones, and I think they did a great job with these. They are a bit of an unusual undertone for bronzers, but that's what I look for. I mean, they really are great. They are nuanced in tone, so I appreciate the olivey tone. I also want to add Freckles because when I think of Dua Lipa, I think of her beautiful freckles and sun-kissed skin. And even though this isn't like a full-on Dua Lipa look, it kind of is because, you know, we're talking about Dua's skincare brand as well, so it makes sense. This is the Nabla Freckle Maker Brow Pen, and it is the best I've used. I haven't used a ton of Freckle Maker pens, but this is really such a beautiful color. It's a stain. It's so easy to use. They just look very believable, and I really enjoy it. I think this is one of the best ones I've used, even though I haven't used a lot, but very believable. I recommend this to everyone. I always like to go a bit more than I think I need because I can tap and blend away whatever I feel like looks a bit excessive, but I think it looks great. And for lip liners, I've been really enjoying the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liners as well. I will link the color down below because I can't remember off the top of my head, but I've been enjoying Dusty Rose a lot. I've been using that on a lot of my clients. It's this very sexy, beautiful rose, but I think this might be Deep Taupe, if I'm not mistaken. I will link it down below. They're very creamy. They're easy to blend. I love a wooden pencil. You know I love a wooden pencil. So I'm just applying that all over the lips and blurring it for that very effortless, sexy vibe. And I'm going over it with a bit of Makeup Forever Endless Cacao and this Mob Beauty eyeliner. I think it's $19.95. I'm using like 4 or 5 different lip liners. This one from Merit is, I think, one of my favorite colors. I got it in a limited edition kit, same as this gloss. It's in the shade Archival. It comes in a kit. It's at Sephora. I got it in September, but I'm pretty sure they released it for holiday. That kit is incredible, and I wish I got more. So I hope they still make it. But it's in the shade Archival, and it comes in 3. And that is my final Dua look by AB on the beautiful Maria. And I am applying a bit of that glow complex at the end because that's what Dua Lipa did in her Vogue video. So I am doing it too, just to see what it gives to the skin. And I do like it. It didn't really disrupt anything. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. I know this is a bit of a quick video, but I really wanted to post it on YouTube anyway because I do love the effortless look. I think it's pretty helpful. I think these looks are generally really just beautiful to do and to learn how to do and to just have fun with, because again, they're very enhancing, they're very effortless, and I hope you enjoy them.